Welcome everyone. So we will continue with the 24B feature. This is a part B session. If you have not already went through the part A, please I request you to kindly go through them. So in this we have got as part of 24B there are multiple features that is released for absences. Few of them are redwood, few of them are the enhancement to the current features functionalities. So we will continue with the other left features in this session. So the first feature is enhanced absence type default logic. So earlier, what used to happen is if staff is eligible for multiple absences and under absence type drop down in the add absence entry page, they were able to see the absence type based on the alphabetical order. Whereas in Redwood, you can choose what absence gets defaulted. Okay. So as soon as they enter the add absence entry page, there should be some absence which gets defaulted. Or the display order also, you can control them. So how you would do is you can go to the absence type. So here, if I click on this, so it's available in all patterns. So there is this new field called as entry display order. So here I could say, so if I know what are all the absences that is available, so accordingly I'll say whichever is my priority ones, I would give the sequence lower sequence. So that would come at the top. And if any absences which I don't or non-prioritized one, I'll keep it at the last. So this way I could control the display order such that the same display order will be available for the staff as well. And this is for the Redwood. We got to remember this. As well, this default logic is not only for the display order. We could also, while defining each absence type, I could control the display order. But that is default logic can also be controlled out here. So if you see here, absence type, here it says do it based on the display order. Here it's basically you can perform some setups. Here in this absence type default, you can choose whether it is based on the display order or you could say last absence. So that is whichever absence the staff had used or recorded last, the same absence has to get defaulted. You could choose that option. And then most used based on the most used apps. So let's say annual leave. It's been used multiple times by or used frequently by a user. In that case, we could see most used. We can select this so that appropriately the most used absence would be defaulted when the staff gets into the add absence menus. If you select it as none, then based on the alphabetical order, it takes up like how it is working currently. Okay, so that was about this display order and defaulting the absence type in the absence entry page. Okay, that was about first one. Improved messaging for non-alerts when entering absences. Okay. So here, like we had seen in the 24A, if there is any absences being scheduled on a non-working day, or if it was already scheduled on a non-working day for a future record, and there was a change in the work schedule, if that cases happens, now, Oracle system is going to take care of sending out a clear message to employees saying that this is recorded already, corrected. Or if they are trying to record on a non-working day, so it says it's a non-working, it's falling on a non-working day. You choose a scheduled working day, something like that. The message is more clearer. Okay. Now, the next part is assignment number displayed with business title. So this also it's part of last release itself, but it has come with more clarity for users with multiple assignments. So whatever that they have released it last time, if there was any performance issue or something, it has been stabilized now. So it has got improved in this release. So what this is, if you have not already watched the earlier class or earlier session, what in the Redwood pages you could in the add absence entry page, if there are if the organization is using a multiple assignment and if a staff has a multiple assignment, so along with absence type, they could also see an additional fields where it displays the assignment number with the business title. If they have a multiple assignment, then in the option drop down option, you could choose how many other assignment they have got. They could choose which assignment they wanted to record an absence on. This view absence plan balance on absence time. So this is like the integration between absence and OTL. When they are trying to add any absence in OTL, they could actually check the balances as well. So that is the new thing that has come as part of adding absence in the time card end. Okay, export to Excel on manage absences and entitlement page. So for HR, if they wanted to check the absences, if they want to export them to the Excel, there is this new feature that has come. So if I go to the person management, I'll just open one tab. So here you could choose that the existing absence details you have to export, you could export here as well. Well, you could actually export it from the individual absences as well. I cannot recall where exactly this comes. Probably this is for a qualification plan that we see. If there are for a long time, if a person has recorded absence and if we wanted to send check that details, that could be extracted. That option to export to an Excel, the absence details is available as part of this. Okay. So, and the next feature is about the new attributes that has come for the subject areas. So, like we have or workforce management, absence real-time data, absence entitlement data, and other subject areas. So now it has been enhanced. There is an attributes to capture if there is an open-ended absence for a qualification plan. The open-ended absence checkbox as well as the estimated end date. So that two entries have come as part of the new attributes. So you would be able to easily fetch them using the OTBI subject areas itself. Okay. So now for the audit changes to work schedule assignment. So there is work schedule tables that has come where you would be able to it is PS's work schedule assignment and assignment. Uh, so something like that it is. Yeah, it's a work schedule assignment as well as work schedule exceptions. So these two tables, you would be able to enable the audit. So if there is any changes on this schedules also, you would be easily able to track it and it can be audited as well. So it's as part of auditing the enhancement that has come. Okay. So that was about the complete features that has come in the 24B release. So in the next session, we will check for the 24C upgrade, what has all come and what is going to be the useful impact from them. Okay. So until then, thanks.